How to fix Marvel Rivals not supported on your system from the DirectX 12. Now, these problem usually occurs. It's just need a little bit of an updating from your Windows or from your operating system on your current drivers. So to do so, all you have to do first is go directly to your Windows icon and then just simply type in update. Now click on check for updates. This will take you out to your system settings, specifically from your Windows update. Now all you have to do here is just make sure that your current operating system is updated to the latest version. You should be able to know if it needs an updating because there's going to be an update one visible here. Now the next thing that you do is to check your current uh, Intel graphics card if it is updated or your driver. So just go back to your Windows icon, right click, and then head directly to Device Manager. And in here, scroll all the way down till you find Disk Drivers or Display Adapters. Now click on your current graphics card and then go to Driver. Now all you have to do from here is just to click on Update Driver, and once everything is updated, just simply restart your PC and then try to relaunch the game again. So that's basically it. That's how you troubleshoot or fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 is not supported on your system.